We are standing in front of our newest listing in the Esquimalt and Kinsman Park area. Now, this 3-bedroom home has just finished a beautiful renovation and is ready to welcome its new owners. And we are sitting in the Gorge Waterway area, which means you have an abundance of local shops and restaurants around you, and also you can live a very active lifestyle. And whether you're looking for that active lifestyle or simply a way to relax, this home is a perfect blend of both. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and welcome to 916 Yarrow. Oh wait, we haven't even shown you the best part.